Bear R Us Labubu might look like a collector's dream at first glance, with its charming layout and range of cute plush toys, collectible board games, festive advent calendars, and cozy gift items, but don't let the aesthetic fool you, because a deeper investigation into bearus.com raises some serious questions about its legitimacy. The website tries hard to present itself as a trustworthy and established store, even stating that its domain was created in March 2021, which could make it seem like it's been around for a while. However, age alone doesn't prove credibility, and when we looked further, we found some suspicious signs that buyers should not ignore. The physical address provided on the site doesn't appear to be genuine, it's vague, lacks detail, and doesn't match any verifiable business registry, which is a classic red flag in online shopping scams. What's more troubling is that many of the product images on the site were found on other websites during a reverse image search, suggesting that the pictures may have been taken from third-party sellers or stock libraries, rather than being original or exclusive products from Bear Us. This kind of content duplication is often seen in dropshipping scams where sellers don't hold any inventory. Adding to the concerns, bearus.com's social media presence is practically non-existent. In 2025, it's almost unheard of for an online store, especially one targeting younger audiences and collectors, not to have an active Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or even X account. Their only visible platform is Pinterest, which appears inactive or minimally used. This lack of transparency and engagement raises doubts about who's really behind the store, and whether they're even serious about customer service or product quality. While there isn't enough hard evidence to label Bear Us as a full-blown scam, the signs are far from reassuring. It sits in that gray zone where it doesn't seem fully fraudulent, but definitely doesn't inspire confidence either. So if you're considering spending your money there, you might want to think twice, or at the very least, proceed with extreme caution.